Hey there, fellow Pi Network fans. Today we have an exclusive treat for you. We're diving deep into the world of Pi Network's mass KYC implementation and uncovering the brilliant ideas shared by none other than its co-founder, Dr. Todya Fan. Do you want to know why the Pi Network decided to go all in with Pi Network mass KYC? Are there crucial reasons behind this bold move? Stay tuned as we take you on an exciting journey to discover the why behind this groundbreaking decision. Thank you for visiting the Crypto News channel, where you can stay up to date on the latest Pi Network developments. Please visit this channel if you have any questions concerning the Pi Network. You can remain up to current on the newest Pi Network rumors, predictions, and cryptocurrency developments by subscribing to the channel. Click the like button to get the most recent Pi Network news. Drop the Pi Network to the moon in comments box below. So take some popcorn and prepare to be immersed in the world of Pi Network. The Pi Network continues to move forward by offering a new update that aims to facilitate the KYC, Know Your Customer, verification process for pioneers. One of the important steps in dealing with the latest changes in the crypto world is solving the KYC problem. In this attempt, the Pi Core team has released a recent update that allows pioneers to remind their verifiers to review their KYC profile. Co-founder of Pi Network, Dr. Todya Fan, unequivocally described the reasons behind implementing this Pi Network mass KYC and underlined its importance in the context of industrial growth and legal compliance. In an increasingly regulated crypto world, KYC is becoming an important aspect that cryptocurrency projects must deal with. Pi Network KYC is a user identity verification process that aims to avoid fraud, money laundering, and other illegal activities. In addition, KYC also plays a key role in ensuring compliance with applicable laws and regulations in different jurisdictions. Therefore, the Pi Network, as a project that aims to build a more secure and efficient crypto ecosystem, regards KYC as one of its priorities. Dr. Todya Fan, co-founder of Pi Network, freely talks about the importance of implementing mass KYC in Pi Network. In his statement, Dr. Fan stated that KYC is not only a routine job carried out by the team, but also a commitment to comply with applicable legal principles and regulations. He stressed that mass KYC is an important step towards building a sizable KYC social network, which in turn will allow the world to more easily connect with tools, true Web3 services, or financial services in the future. Dr. Todya Fan also noted that Pi Network mass KYC is the result of significant contributions from the entire pioneer community around the world. In the context of an increasingly regulated industry development, big and well-verified KYC social networks are becoming increasingly important. Therefore, the active involvement and collaboration of the entire pioneer community are a key factor in achieving this mass KYC. According to Dr. Fan, mass Pi Network KYC is also in line with the Pi Network's accessibility policy. As a project committed to empowering individuals by providing more equitable and inclusive financial access, the Pi Network needs to build internal solutions that allow every member of the community to join easily in the KYC process. This also helps the Pi Network to comply with applicable laws and regulations while ensuring convenience for users. With the implementation of mass Pi Network KYC, the Pi Network shows its strong commitment to security and compliance. This strategic step not only supports the overall growth of the project, but also creates a solid base for further progress in facing the industry's growing challenges. The KYC process in the Pi Network includes the important role of the verifier. As verifiers, their job is to review and check the KYC profiles of pioneers. This step is an integral part of attempts to ensure that the Pi Network is free from fake accounts and illegal activity. In a dynamic crypto environment, the presence of a reliable verifier is key to keeping integrity and trust in the network. Dr. Todya Fan stressed that implementing Pi Network mass KYC is part of the long-term commitment of the Pi Core team to the growth of the Pi Network. The team is constantly working hard to bring updates that benefit the pioneer community and strengthen their crypto ecosystem. This commitment also includes transparency and open dialogue with all members of the community to support common goals and achieve the Pi Network's vision of creating good changes in people's lives. With the implementation of Pi Network mass KYC and continuous development on the Pi Network, this project continues to be one of the crypto projects that draw a lot of attention. The future of the Pi network holds great potential, and strategic moves such as Mass Pi Network KYC are working to solidify the project's position as an innovative and powerful project in the crypto space. The Pi Network Mass KYC step would not have been possible without the active participation of the Pioneer Group. As part of the Pi Network's accessibility philosophy, the active involvement of every member of the community is key to achieving a shared vision and creating a more inclusive and efficient crypto ecosystem. With strategic measures such as Mass Pi Network KYC, Pi Network confirms its place as an innovative and powerful project in the crypto world. An inclusive vision to make positive changes in the lives of many people continues to spur this project forward into a bright future in the world of crypto and blockchain technology. Implementing Mass KYC is a testament to Pi Network's commitment to building a safe, fair, and efficient crypto ecosystem. The support and involvement of the entire Pioneer community show that the Pi Network is a project supported by many people with the passion and belief to achieve its inclusive vision. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey of Pi Network's Mass KYC implementation and the invaluable insights shared by Dr. Chengdiao Fan. We hope you found this journey useful and eye-opening. If you like this video and want to stay up to date with the latest developments in the world of Pi Network and cryptocurrencies, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Ring the notification bell so you never miss any exciting changes. Feel free to share your ideas and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from our fantastic group of Pi Network enthusiasts. Remember, information is power, and by staying informed, you become an essential part of shaping the future of digital currency. So until our next adventure together, keep mining those pies and unlocking the promise of blockchain technology. Stay curious, stay involved, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care and bye for now.
任何一个人，他讲区块链钱包，他讲区块链公链，他讲什么？你讲的任何一句话，我知道你讲的对还是不对。我不会受你的蛊惑，我不会受你的蛊惑，我会不会上当去跳坑？不会，是不是很简单？当然了，这也希望大家讲哈，你不要受你的年龄限制。有的伙伴说，哎，我也想学，我这个年龄不行，不要受年龄的限制。悟性很重要，年龄不关键。可能我们在座的人年龄没有我大，绝大多数人啊。但是只要你想学，年龄不是界限，是你自己思想，你思想产生的进步，你才不会，是不是？好，我们回头再讲派。派不能脱离区块链，我们讲这个去中心化讲了这么长时间。如果大家还不理解，慢慢理解，慢慢消化，对不对？如果一下子你吃一个硬的，比如说到这青藏高原来，一下吃了那个牦牛肉，你消化，慢慢来，是不是？好，那么项目方对派的定义是什么？是货币，是加密数字货币。那么项目方会不会说去做一个非常漂亮、非常成功的攻略？也许会，但它主要的攻略在哪里？在易货，在把这个派往货币的属性去引导。那么，据说成熟的攻略，作为派来讲。